If you're looking for a straightforward way to build your credit and earn rewards while managing your finances, the Atlas Rewards credit card is a solid option to consider. Designed with ease of use in mind, this card is perfect for anyone who wants to boost their credit score without getting bogged down by complicated processes or high approval barriers. It stands out from the crowd by offering higher approval rates than traditional credit cards, particularly for those without a credit history. One of the key selling points of Atlas is its accessibility. Traditional credit cards often have strict approval criteria that make it tough for people without an established credit history to get approved. Atlas, on the other hand, offers a much higher approval rate, making it a great choice for anyone looking to start or rebuild their credit. The application process is incredibly quick, just 2 minutes to fill out, and the approval process is swift as well. This is perfect for those who don't want to waste time with endless paperwork or complicated steps. Once you're approved, Atlas offers a safe spending limit that grows with you. This means you won't be given a high limit right off the bat, but your spending limit increases as you use the card responsibly. This is a great feature for those new to credit or those who want to stay on top of their spending. Over time, as your credit grows, your limit increases, which can be a great tool for boosting your score. Atlas's approach ensures that you won't find yourself in over your head, making it an ideal way to build healthy credit habits. Another standout feature of Atlas is the tools it offers to help you manage your spending. The Smart Pay feature ensures that you're always on top of your balance and payments, helping you avoid late fees and interest. The Smart Save tool works to automatically help you save money as you make purchases, which is a nice bonus if you're looking to build up your savings. These features aren't always available with other credit cards, making Atlas a strong contender for those who want more than just a basic card. Atlas doesn't just help with credit building, it also rewards you for your spending. The rewards program offers up to 5% cash back on subscription services like Netflix, Hulu, and many others, 3% on everyday essentials like gas and food delivery, and up to 10% back at over 50,000 participating stores, including major retailers like Target and Starbucks. There's even a fun Lucky Swipes feature where you can earn up to 100% cash back, adding an element of excitement to the rewards process. If you regularly make purchases from these categories, the rewards can quickly add up. In addition to the rewards, Atlas provides some valuable perks that make it stand out in the credit card market. These include cell phone protection, extended warranty coverage, and even rental car insurance. For example, if you pay your cell phone bill with your Atlas card, you're covered for up to $500 if your phone is stolen or damaged. The extended warranty feature adds up to an additional year of coverage on eligible items purchased with your card. These extras can save you money on things you might already be paying for, which makes Atlas a more attractive choice compared to other credit cards that don't offer such benefits. The cost of the Atlas card is $8.99 every 4 weeks or $89 annually. While this subscription fee might seem like an unusual model, it's actually quite reasonable when you consider the benefits you receive. The fee includes a full suite of services, such as a built-in subscription manager, early paycheck access, and even tax filing services. For anyone who likes the idea of consolidating multiple services into one easy-to-manage package, this could be a great deal. It's a small price to pay for the array of tools and services that come with the card, particularly if you value the added conveniences. However, the subscription fee might not appeal to everyone. Some users may prefer a traditional credit card that doesn't come with an additional fee. While the benefits do outweigh the cost for many, it's something to consider before signing up. Another minor downside is that while the safe spending limit is great for building credit in a controlled way, some people might find it restrictive. If you're used to higher credit limits, you might feel a bit limited in the early stages of using the card, but for the majority of users, the controlled limit is a smart and effective way to manage spending and reduce the risk of overspending. All things considered, the Atlas Rewards credit card is a strong choice for anyone looking to build their credit while earning rewards. It combines useful financial management tools, a straightforward approval process, and valuable rewards and perks, all at a reasonable cost. With its easy to use app, growing credit limits, and excellent customer support, Atlas is an appealing option for anyone who wants to simplify their finances and build better credit. The higher approval rate and useful features make it an especially good choice for those who may struggle to qualify for more traditional credit cards. If you're looking to get a handle on your finances while earning rewards and improving your credit, Atlas offers a compelling package. It's like